ఇక్కడ నుంచా? చికెన్ పచ్చడా? చికెన్ ఆవకాయ తెలుసు, తిన్నా కానీ తెలుసు అన్నీ. ఏం లేదు. Good morning. Welcome to dear teacher revisions, and we are doing revision. Online like వెళ్ళిపోయింది. We are doing fast revision. Till now we have completed so many chapters. So many means almost we came up to trigonometry, and in trigonometry 2 classes were done. One is on the basic definitions, the other one is on the angles. So today we are going to have the class on in trigonometric identities. Okay, so when you compare there are 4 parts. You can divide the whole trigonometry into 4 parts. One is the basic ratios, that is day for yesterday. The second one is angles. The third one is trigonometric identities, that means rules, formulas. And the fourth one is applications of trigonometry, that is heights and distances of trigonometry. So in this the difficult one is only this, the trigonometric identities, because very big area, vast area is there on this. So you don't know what question you may be getting in the examination. That's why you have to do more problems to do this trigonometric identities. Whereas basic ratios, trigonometric basic ratios are very simple. You can easily do it. Angles also you can easily do it. There is no problem. And heights and distances also you can easily do it. Okay. But when it comes to the trigonometric identities, so you have to be very careful, right? Very, very careful, because more problems you have to do. So now let us go to trigonometric identities. Okay, let me take up my board channel. Okay. So let me give you all the 3 identities. Actually identities with proofs also important, but I am not giving you identities with the proof. Okay, directly I am going to give you the okay, first identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Second identity, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. And third identity, 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. 3 identities are there. These 3 identities, with these 3 identities only you have to do the problems. So these conversions already I told you in the basic ratio, that is sin theta is equal to 1 by cosecant theta, or cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. So this already I have explained you, this conversion, sin, cos, cosecant, like that. Okay. Good morning, Manish. So, these things I am not giving you. Sine is equal to 1 by cosecant, cos is equal to 1 by secant, tan is equal to sine by cos or 1 by tan. So, like that all these things you should remember, right? So, now these are the rules. Now, from these rules you will have some other rules also. The first rule is identity is relation between sine and cos. Okay, if sine is given, if you want to find out cos, you can easily do this. So, in this other things are also there. What are the other things? 1 sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, and cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sine square theta. So, these two things also comes from this. Whenever if you want to convert sine को cos में करना है, if you want to convert sine, then you can write 1 minus cos square. So, this is only square. Okay, don't guess that sine is equal to 1 minus cos theta. This is wrong. Sine square, cos square, this is related to the square only. Okay, sine theta plus cos theta is not 1. Many students they will write sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, sine theta plus cos theta is equal to square root of 1. Wrong. You cannot do like that. Okay, it is square only. So, this is first rule. That means along with this you have to remember this also. Okay, I advise all the students to memorize. Understanding, everybody will understand, but you have to remember these things. For remembering, you have to memorize. So, now what happened to these two? The second identity. Okay. So, tan square theta is equal to secant square theta minus 1. If you send 1 to other side, then secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So, these two belongs to the second. So, send tan square to other side, secant square minus tan square is equal to 1. Okay. In the same way, this also you will be getting what cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta minus 1, and cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So, this comes under third. That means we are looking at only 3 identities, but from the 3 identities we have got some sub identity also. Same thing. Okay. Whenever you have 1 minus cos square, you can write sine square. Whenever there is secant square minus 1, you can write tan square. Okay, these are the identities. All these identities you have to apply in different problems. Now, today also I am going to take RD Sharma book. In RD Sharma, I will be doing only the previous examination questions. Okay, I am not going to do all the problems. Previous examination questions I am going to do from the identities. Okay. Yeah. So, now I have questions. First question. This is NCERT exemplar 2001, question number 1. Okay. And very important also. So many times it came. Cosecant square theta plus secant square theta is equal to cosecant square theta into secant square theta. So, this is first question, and a very important. Hi Sharma, I don't know which Sharma. Good morning. If you are having any doubts, you can put NCERT textbook is also with me. Okay. If you are having any doubt in NCERT questions, because NCERT I have already done. So you give the exercise number and question number, I will be doing. And Sharma said, how are you? I am fine. I am good. I don't know which Sharma is this. Right. So because I have some Sharmas, friends, classmates are there, students are there. Okay, which Sharma is that? I don't know. Anyhow, let us go into the topic. So I told you my advice, first NCERT textbook thoroughly you have to do, thoroughly, because a lot of syllabus is reduced, kam kar diya hai, right? So CBSE, if I am not wrong, CBSE gives problems based on this textbook only, okay? And I feel most of the questions comes from this only, okay? Because CBSE is feeling that this batch is a corona batch, corona affected batch. So I advise all of you, first focus only on NCERT and then come to extra problems. Extra problems only, yeah, Bangalore. How is Bangalore, Sharma? Yeah. So let us do this question. Now cosecant square plus secant square is equal to cosecant square into secant square. Here plus is there, here nothing is there. Okay. So what we will do, we will take a left hand side and we will do it, and we will get right hand side at the end. This is the proof procedure. Always you take either left hand side or right hand side and do it, you will be getting. So I will take left hand side. So LHS is equal to cosecant square theta plus secant square theta. So you can do it in too many ways, but my general way for my students is you convert them into sin and cos and then do it. So sin and cos, so then what is cosecant? Cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin, and secant theta is equal to 1 by cos. You can apply even one identity also, but even then you have to apply this, okay? Page number 121, NCERT textbook. Anyhow, let me complete this question and then I will come to your question. So now what I will do, 1 by cosecant square is 1 by sin square theta. Don't forget squares. This is 1 by cos square theta. Now fractions are there. Take LCM, sin square theta into cos square theta, cross multiplication, like this is cos square theta plus sin square theta. So everybody should know the addition of fractions. So cos square theta plus sin square theta is nothing but the identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So I will be writing in the numerator 1. So sin square theta into cos square theta. So this I will split up the fraction into 1 by cos square theta. So 1 by sin square theta is nothing but cosecant square theta into secant square theta, and which is equal to RHS. That's a very important question. Very, very important question. Physics chadukuntava? So this is a very, very important question. I want all of you to do this question. This type of question is also there. One more question is there. I am going to do that also. Okay. 3 cot A is equal to this question. Sharma asked one question. I will be doing that question also. Page number 121, 8.1 exercise, 3 cot A. 8th question, page number 131. 3 cot A is equal to 4. Check 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. So, I will just give you explanation, my dear Sharma, because the same question I have done in my previous day before yesterday. I have done this question. Anyhow, I am going to explain you. So, this is a basic question, first exercise. So, what we will do, cot A is equal to send 3 to other side, 4 by 3. Now, draw a right angle triangle. So, this is A, B, C. So, this angle. So, this is opposite side and this is adjacent side and this is hypotenuse. So, cot A, opposite side is 4 units, sorry, definition of cot A is adjacent by opposite side is equal to 4 by 3. So, adjacent side is 4 units and this is opposite side is 3 units. And find out hypotenuse, square root of opposite side square plus adjacent side square, opposite, this is 3 square plus 4 square, 25 is equal to 5. So, hypotenuse is 5. You can do in the other way also. Put angle, don't do other way. So, then put these values in that. Tan A, in this tan A, what are you going to put? Opposite side by adjacent side. In this place you put 3 by 4. In this place also you put 3 by 4. Take left hand side, simplify it, you will be getting some answer. You will be getting some answer, x, let us say. And again take right hand side, you simplify, put the value. Cos A is adjacent by hypotenuse. This is 4 by 5. Sin A is 3 by 5. So, whole square. You simplify this, you will be getting y. So, you should get x is equal to y. This is what is question number required question. So, I hope we have understood, Mr. Sharma. Let me go to my thing. So, let me take up one more question. 2001 question I have done. NCERT exemplars I am not doing it. I am doing only the board examination question papers, previous, right? Yeah. 2000, 2 times it came, 2000, 2006, even before that also it came, right? Let me take example 2. This is also a textbook question and very, very important question, 1 plus 1. Okay. So many times it came in the examination, right? Let us do this question. So, now we will take, you take anything, either left hand side or right hand side. I will take left hand side only. So, LHS is equal to 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta. What I will do? I will multiply both numerator and denominator with 1 plus sin theta whole square, because in the answer plus is there. Okay, if you consider carefully, secant theta means 1 by cos, denominator cos, tan theta means sin by cos, denominator cos. So here denominator cos आना चाहिए. We should get a denominator cos. This is how you have to think about the answer. So then what happens? A plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. This is same, a plus b whole square, 1 plus sin theta whole square. So now this is the first identity, cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. So therefore numerator is same, 1 plus sin theta whole square by cos square theta. Now both squares we will write it, because here denominator square, numerator square. We will write it like this. And then which is equal to, you split the fraction, 1 by cos theta plus sin theta by cos theta whole square, and 1 by cos theta is nothing but secant theta, and this is tan theta whole square, and this is right hand side. Okay. So this is an important question. With two formulas we have used. This is one formula and these are the conversions we have used. Okay. So now now let us go to one more examination question, right? So one more examination question, let me search for you. Oh, 2019, so many times it came. Let us do that question also. Okay. Let me do one more question. Example 4. Example 4, sin theta plus cosecant theta whole square plus cos theta plus secant theta whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square theta into cos square theta. This question came in 3-4 times in the board examination. Okay, 3-4 times in the board examination. Let us do. So for this also I will be taking a left hand side only. So LHS is equal to, so many students what they will do, without copying the question directly they start expanding. That is not correct. First copy the question, left hand side jo bhi hai you have to write here. So then what? Sin theta plus cosecant theta whole square and cos theta plus secant theta whole square. Now you have to apply formula a plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. So that formula you have to apply in both the cases. You write the formula what you are going to apply in the exam also. Okay, be like a good student, so that you will get full marks. Whoever evaluates your paper, he will be very happy if you write all these rules. Okay, so many students without writing the rule they will apply. Examiner, okay, chalta, jaan do, bichara. That jaan do, it should not come in the paper evaluator mind. So now a plus b, a is sin theta, this is a square sin square theta plus b square cosecant square theta plus 2ab, 2 into sin theta into cosecant theta. Done. First one is done. Second one, Because plus is there, I am not going to put any bracket. If minus is there, you have to put the bracket. A square cos square theta plus b square secant square theta plus 2ab 2 into cos theta into secant theta. Be patient and be legible. Legibility is needed because a very long step. So then what we will do? This will become 1 because this will become 1. Reciprocals, right? So write here sin theta into cosecant theta is equal to 1 and cos theta into secant theta is equal to 1. So then sin square theta plus cosecant square theta plus 2 into 1 plus cos square theta plus secant square theta plus 2 into 1. Now numericals have come, 2 and 2 we will write it that the 4 and the beginning because 7 is there in the beginning now. So I will write 2 and 4 I am writing in the beginning. I am writing sin square theta. I will write this cos square theta side mein because this will become 1 identity. Okay. Next cosecant square theta because we have tan and cot. So cosecant square theta plus secant square theta. Okay. Let me do this in the next step. So here 4 plus 1 5 plus, so this entire thing is over. Now we have to work on this. So this what I will do, I will write let me see whether I have copied the problem correctly or not. It's tan square theta plus cot square theta. So here I will cosecant square theta, I will write 1 plus tan square theta, 1 plus cot square theta. So here I will write 1 plus tan square theta. So here again there are 2 more ones, those 5, 1 and 1, it will become 7. Tan square I will write first and I will write cot square, and this is nothing but right hand side. Okay. So let me take up one more question, one more examination question. Meanwhile, if any student want any question, I can explain those questions, right? So 2005 question. 2005 there is one more. Those questions are not there in this present syllabus. Okay. Because some few concepts they have removed it. So that's why I am not working on those questions. They are beyond higher order thinking questions. Okay. Mostly let me see last year questions, 2024. 2024 question I will take up. This is a basic students question. 2024. Example 5, today's question. I will be doing, this will be the last question. X cos theta plus y sin theta is equal to A and x sin theta minus y cos theta is equal to B prove that a square plus b square is equal to x square plus y square. This is 2024 question, last year question. So now value is given, a value is this entire thing and b value is entire thing. We have to find out a square plus b square and you should get x square plus y square. Let me take a square. I will do it separately. A square is equal to x cos theta plus y sin theta whole square. Because a को square किया, that also should be squared. So then what happens? A square, again the same rule, a square x square cos square theta plus b square y square sin square theta plus 2ab 2xy sin theta into cos theta. So many students, they will write x square plus y square. Wrong, because this is x cos square y sin square. You cannot take up the rule here, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. You cannot take here because x and y are there. Similarly, if I write b square, what I will get? It is minus b whole square. So it is equal to x square sin square theta plus b square y square cos square theta plus 2ab. It's not plus 2ab, minus 2xy sin theta into cos theta. Okay. So what I will do, I will add up these two things, a square plus b square. So then what happened? This is a square, x square cos square theta, x square sin theta. I will take x square common, so cos square theta plus sin square theta plus again these two, y square sin square theta, y square. I will take y square common, sin square theta plus cos square theta. So plus 2xy sin theta cos theta minus 2xy cos theta cancel. Both will get cancelled. You are saying good morning. So then a square plus b square is equal to x square into this is 1, y square into this is 1, because identity is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So then what happened? A square plus b square is equal to x square plus y square proved. This is what we wanted to prove. Important question because it came in the examination, right? So this type of problems are there in every book. RD Sharma is available, okay, S. Chand is available, Ratna Sagar is available, R.S. Agarwal is available. So many these type of questions are available in many ways, okay, many books. So I'll stop here. My trigonometry part of explanation is over. Tomorrow I am going to start applications of trigonometry. So before I leave, before I close my class, please share my channel, like my channel. If you did not subscribe, please subscribe my channel. Okay. If you like, you can have some thank you tokens are there. Thank you tokens, right? You can have those tokens also. Bye bye. See you tomorrow at 6 o'clock. I will stay for some more time. No need. I think no one is there. If somebody needs any doubts to be cleared, I can stay for some time. I can stay for some time. So that's why but now I have done only 5 questions, previous answer questions. So these 5 questions are not sufficient. You may be getting some other question also. That is why it's very important. It's very important to go into this. Okay. So tomorrow applications I am going to teach, and that definitely one question comes in the examination, and that was easiest chapter. So don't miss it. If your friends are also there, please ask them to come tomorrow, my online class 6 o'clock, and learn. It will take only half an hour time, right? Half an hour I will explain you the applications chapter. You can get full marks, right? Still, if you are having any doubt, please send me in the comment box page number and question number, like how Sharma did it. In the same way, if you send me your doubts, I can explain in the video. So if you are still wanted to connect with me personally, you go to description. There is my WhatsApp group. You can join. You can send me a request to join into my WhatsApp group, class 10 group. You can join in that also, right? I am going to give you cycle tests, pre-final examinations, etc., etc. So I think it's time to close my live. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.